Okay, so we are at one of our customers' opening ceremony. The productive drinks for your CNC. This is what we give to your CNC machines. This is Walter tools, solid cam, Speronic tool presetters, Grabber Ares commander for 2D designs. This is Montronics machine vibration and collision detection. This is Autobits for your IoT and Industry 4.0. This is again Industry 4.0 but for coolant management. And Fuchs lubricant, your lubricants. So at Via Sale, we give you these productive drinks for your CNC machine. And this is Mojito 4.0. So this is a unique plug-and-play coolant mixing unit. You would have heard a lot about it. Maybe you can check out our videos.
Okay, so can you tell us what is in the goodie bags?
So many goodie bags. See, sorry to come the goodie bag. Isme kya kya hai? So first is it's a brochure of Mojito 4.0. Second is again a brochure with a nice PDF thingy. Then we have a writing pad from Walter. Then we have a lovely gift, a keychain and a pen from Sati. Then what do we have? We have a diary. This is the diary. We have a wonderful pen of Walter. Then we have a brochure from Walter. Summit kit. Again brochure and
How about bag?
so कितनी सारी चीजें हैं goodie bag में.